Hey guys, how are you doing? I hope you're having an amazing day and welcome to another video by SendWin.
In today's video, we're going to talk about how do we actually create a session and link it to an existing group that we have already created. In simple words, we would be creating a new session and would be assigning it, giving it, adding it to a group that we have already created before, right? So to do this, it's really simple. It's really easy tutorial, right? So that you can easily follow along. So what you need to do in case we need to create, we need to create a new session. I'll be creating a session for this page. You can literally create a session for any page you like. Okay, any page on the internet you can create a session for. SendWin makes it happen for you, right? So just click on the SendWin extension, or you can also use the shortcut key Control Shift and U, which would launch the extension for you. And then just enter name for it. Okay, let me give it a name as W, maybe 3. All right, I'll just give it a SW hash. Okay, instead of 3, we'll give it a SW hash. Okay, and then we would link it to a group. All right, so in group you can enter the name of the group they already created. I've created a group with the name of utilities, so I can add utilities. In case if I wanted to add it to social, I have the social created, right? But for this tutorial, let me use utilities, right? So I just created utilities. This is the group, and I'll just click on add. So here I have my new session running up. Okay, and now what I can do is I can just click here. All right, and I'll go to sessions. Then you can see I have a group here. Okay, I have a group here called utilities, and here I have the new session SW hash, right? So here you can see we are facing some issue with the proxy server. It's just because we have configured a proxy for it. Okay, you might have followed our previous video. You have seen that we have actually set up a proxy for it, because of which we are facing this issue, right? But which definitely means that we have successfully created this session and it has been added to this group by the name of utilities. Okay, you can do this simultaneously for any group. Okay, I could have added it to any of this existing group that I've created before. So that's basically it, how you do this. So in case this video has helped you some way, then do make sure to let us know by hitting the like button, subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and follow us on all our social handles. We'd love to connect with you. And if you got any queries, if you got any doubts, just make sure to put them down in the comment section. We'll be very happy reading and solving an app for you. So this was it for today's video. I'll see you in some other video. Till then,
Take care and bye bye.